Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about how you can literally use Canva. This video is completely for beginners. So if you don't know what Canva is or what Canva does, I'm going to teach you everything in this video. So this video is specifically in English. If you want it in another language, apart from English, that is Hindi, please let me know in the comments below so I can make one more video which is in Hindi. But this particular video will be in English. So once you go into canva.com here, we'll directly deep dive into how you can make an account. So then click on sign up over here, and then basically and you click continue. You add your name over here, and then you'll get a code on this particular email. So once you get this code, copy this code from here and then paste it over here. Once that is done, you'll be into the Canva main dashboard. Now what will we be using this Canva for? We'll click on personal, maybe late. So congratulations, you have successfully created your Canva account now. Now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to just explain what the dashboard looks like and what exactly how you can open a design, how you can use different things in Canva. So first we'll get well versed with that. So once you know this is the side panel of Canva, this is the topmost panel. Here you can click to go into settings and your account settings if you want to create an account, if you want any particular help from Canva, if you want to refer to your friends. So this is basically all those things which you won't require as of now. Here you can see there are projects section where you can create your own projects. You can organize stuff based on how you want to make different projects. So click on create a folder and we'll click on learning here, where you're just learning stuff about things, and then click on continue. So here you can see a folder has been created. We'll go back onto home page. Here you can see there are different templates that are already available on Canva. So you can see here there's a feature Thanksgiving collection. There are different types of collections over here. Trending near you, new in Canva, business cards, Instagram posts, presentations, flyers, Facebook posts, and all different sorts of designs are over here. So once you know all this, you know that you can click on any design and start editing, but we're not getting into that part as of now. Next we have brand kit. Now this is a premium feature that I don't want to discuss in this video as of now, but I'll just explain it and what purpose it is used for. So once you click on that feature, you can literally upload your logos over here. So every brand has a specific colors, logos, styling, and fonts that are used for that brand. So for example, pick McDonald's for example, and McDonald's has like different colors such as yellow, red, white. So those colors will come into this color palette over here. Then we'll even add fonts that are being used in the brand, and then the logos. So this comes in handy when you're making a design for a particular brand or you're handling clients. Here are brand templates as well, where if you want, like you want to reuse some certain stuff, you can use brand templates and reuse those particular designs as well. Now we're gonna create our first design. So we'll go into projects, we'll go into learning, and then we'll click on add. Now here when you click on add new, you will get two options: add a folder inside a folder, or you can add a design. So let's click on add a design, create new design. What do you want to create? Let's create an Instagram post, for example. So now this is the design panel that we have in place. Now this is the design panel that we have in place. Now here you can see at the sidebar there are different options that we can use. The first one, the very first one, is the design option. Now here you'll get a lot of templates already pre-made for you that are available, and then you can put that in your design. So here you can see the templates option, and if I pick out, you can even search for any particular. So let's make a quote. So if I search for quote, you can get different options of quotes. So let's click on this one. So you can see unlock a premium template. Now this is a premium template that you cannot use. But what you can do is you can click on this little tiny little option over here, and then I think it should have the. So this is a premium one, so you won't be able to use it. So basically, if you can see this pro one that you cannot use, you'll have to pay for the upgraded version in order to use that. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on a one which is free. So this one looks free. So you can see this particular one is free. Okay, cool. So now what you have to do is the second one that I want to explain is the elements option. Now here there are different kinds of elements that you can search that Canva already has. Now even this one has like a free version and a paid version. So for example, if I want to add a circle, so you click here. I clicked here, and then you can see I can add like a circle over here. Then what will I do if I want to put this behind the lady? Click on position and click on to back, and then one more time. You can even do this with the help of layers, but that we're not getting into right now. So here you can even change the color of this particular circle, and you can see it looks good. So here you can get different kinds of shapes and sizes and whatever else you want, graphics. So here if you click on this filter option over here, you'll be able to see a lot of filters that you can add. So I want something static, I don't want animated. That's what I want. And then you can select various different options over here. I'll put this over here, click on position again and put it at the back. Okay. I think it also changes color. Yes, it does. So you can change it to a different color if you want. So here you can see when I click on the color option, there are document colors that are already there. Now the document colors are the colors which are already been used in this particular design. Next thing is the photo colors. Now this particular photo has certain set of colors that are been used, which will go best with the design. So it gives you a particular suggestion that the brown color will look good with this design, or this gray color will look good. So it'll give you such suggestions as well, which is amazing again. The next part that I wanted to discuss is the text. So here we see the text option over here. You can easily go into this particular option, click on the text over here, go into this particular option, and then you can easily change the text. Now again here the pro ones are not being used, so you can use the free version. I want to change it to this. You click on this particular option to make it a bit smaller, or you just decrease the size from here. It is very easy to use. you'll get the hang of it once you start creating like 4 to 5 designs every single day. If you're starting out, try to at least create 3 to 4 designs. um then we go into, so here is a text option where you can add a text. If you want to add like an additional text over here, happy Labor Day from Arwa. Now obviously the text is not visible, so we'll change the color of the text and then adjust it accordingly. So now it's looking a bit better. Okay, great. So now we'll go into brand. Now this particular option I explained, that if you have Canva Pro, you can directly use your brand colors, click it up and set it up. I'll explain it to you in the Pro version and the advanced features of Canva, not in this video. So now we have the next option, which is uploads. Here you can upload any of your photos, additional photos that you have. If you want to add it to the image, if you want to add a video, or if you want to add the audio as well. um, then we have the draw part where you can just click on anything and start drawing. I don't want to do this right now, but it's really basic and easy to use, so you can explore that as well. Here we have all our projects, so you can see we created like a learning folder here, so you'll be able to see all your projects in this particular section. So this was the basics of Canva. This particular option is apps. Now I will get to this part later, because again this is a very advanced feature where I'll be teaching you each section over here, how it is used and what you can do with the apps, additional apps that are available on Canva. Now we are clear with this particular part, right? Now I want to show you this particular section over here. So once you click on the share option, now the next thing that I want to tell you guys is that this share option, now here also there are many different things that you need to keep in mind. Now here you can see only access to you. Now this if you want anybody to access this particular design, or if you want to share it with someone, anyone that has access to design using this link can edit this particular thing. So you can copy this link there and then share it with someone, or you can even add someone based on their email address or your team or your people. So basically you can click on edit and then add the email over here. Now if you want to create like a public view link, you can even do that, where you will share the link and it will be available to the public. It will be only a view link and will not be anything else. Here you can even add like a template link. So for example, if you are creating like a bundle of templates where your team wants to use it, or if you want to sell something, sell your graphics, so you can use this template link. Now this is a pro feature where you can schedule different graphics to different social media platforms. Now you'll scroll down and you'll click on more. Now more has again all these options: copy to clipboard, present. So once you are done, you can download the design. Now here you can see you can even add a page over here. So if there are multiple posts that you want to create in a particular project, that you can do it over here. And then this is icon for add page. You can delete this particular page, you can duplicate it. You can even lock the page. So lock the page won't let me change anything. So even if I'm clicking here, dragging and dropping anything, I cannot do that if the page is locked. You can even lock elements. So for example, if I'm clicking over here, you can click lock over here, and then I cannot shift this element, but I can shift the other elements. So you can lock elements as well. Apart from that, you can even animate stuff. So if I want to animate this particular text over here, click on the text, click on animate, and then you will be able to see so many different options. So I like the typewriter one, but this particular option has its own disadvantage, that it's in the pro version. You can click on the wipe one, and you can click on play over here to see how it looks. After that, you can even animate, like if you click on a particular element, you can animate that particular element. But if you want to animate the whole page, then you click outside over here somewhere and click on this particular background and then click on animate. And then you can see there are different types of animate, like the corporate one for this. So this looks pretty good. You can animate on enter, you can animate on exit, so you can do animate on both. You can even set the editing timing over here. So if I want to play the whole thing for like 6 seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and apply it to all pages as well. This is pretty self-explanatory and it's easy. So you can change the colors, and you can add the border from here. You can adjust the weight of the border as well. You can make it rounded. If it is another shape, you can make the borders rounded. This is circle, so it won't get affected here. You can even, like, once we select it circle, but then we can even change the shape from the shape section. So you can see different kinds of shapes. There's the font that we saw, there's the size of the font, the color, the bold. These are the basic ones which are in Word as well. So I hope you guys know these particular symbols. But if you don't worry, it's very easy to use. Once you get the hang of it, you will be like a pro. So here you can see there's spacing. So for example, in this text, I go here, I click on letter spacing. So how much space do you want in between the letters? You can even select that, and you can even select the line spacing here. So this was like a simple crash course on Canva. I hope you got most of it. Even you got like a basic idea of how to use Canva. And if you want a part 2 where I teach the advanced features in the pro version, then please do let me know in the comments. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please make sure to hit the subscribe button.